Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to refund on SHEIN without returning. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So while it's generally recommended to return items for a refund, SHEIN sometimes offer priority refunds without requiring a return. This can happen if you initiate a return request and SHEIN randomly selects your order from your priority refund. If this happens, you'll receive a message from SHEIN stating that you can keep the item and don't need to return it. So here's how it actually works. You can simply initiate a return if you're not happy with the item. And once you have chosen the return method, like from partial shop or self-sending, indicate the reason for return. So wait for the message. If SHEIN offers a priority refund without returning the item, you'll receive a notification, and if they receive the notification, you can simply keep the item and your refund will be processed as usual. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.